the interval at which the work is saved. It's set to 5 minutes by default. However, depending on what you're working on, for example, if you work on a drawing that you have a high volume of modifications that you do in a very short period of time, you probably want to save more often. So what you do, you go here on the tab, settings, and here we can change it to any interval we want, from 30 seconds to 1 hour. So if we put it to 30 seconds, click OK. Now the work will be saved every 30 seconds. Now I would suggest not do it too often, because depending on how performant your system is, if the autosave is performed at the same time as a very resource demanding operation, the system may crash. So you don't want to save continuously every 30 seconds unless you work on something that requires so.